Think you're doing chin-ups the right way? Be honest for a second. When you grab that bar, are you really lifting yourself up? Or are you just fighting gravity for a few seconds and calling it a rep? Here's the truth most people never hear. The chin-up is one of the most powerful bodyweight movements you can do. But it's also one of the most misunderstood. Almost everyone who trains it ends up turning it into an arm exercise, instead of the full body strength builder it's supposed to be. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. We'll break down the mistakes that kill your form, reveal the real science behind strong chin-ups, and walk step by step through how to perform every rep with power, control, and confidence. By the end, you won't just do chin-ups, you'll own them. Every improvement begins by exposing what's wrong. Let's go through the classic errors that hold people back. Mistake number 1, shrugged shoulders. You hop up on the bar, grip it tight, and immediately pull with your arms. Your neck tightens, your shoulders rise, and suddenly all your power is gone. This posture overloads the traps and under-recruits your lats. Fix. Before you pull, set your shoulders down and back. Imagine sliding them into your back pockets. This pre-tension creates a solid foundation and instantly engages the muscles that should be doing the work, your lats. Mistake number 2, half reps. If your elbows never lock out and your chin never clears the bar, you're not training strength, you're rehearsing bad habits. Each rep should start from a full dead hang and finish. When your chin is clearly above the bar, that complete range builds joint stability and real power. Partial reps just feed your ego. Mistake number 3, swinging or kipping without control. Momentum might make you feel athletic, but it steals tension from the muscles you're trying to build. When you swing, your core relaxes, your rhythm breaks, and your back never fully engages. Keep your body quiet. Think of yourself as one solid plank moving smoothly through space and not a pendulum. Mistake number 4, leading with the neck. Another common issue, people try to reach the bar with their chin. That causes the head to jut forward and the traps to dominate. Instead, lift your chest toward the bar. When the chest leads, the chin follows naturally, and your alignment stays clean. Mistake number 5, forgetting the core. Chin-ups aren't just about arms and back. Your core is the stabilizer that locks everything together. If you let your abs relax, your body bends and energy leaks everywhere. Brace your abs like you're expecting a punch. That one cue alone can transform your pull. To master chin-ups, you need to understand what's really happening behind the movement. Yes, the biceps are involved, but the engine of the chin-up is your latissimus dorsi, the broad muscles of your upper back. They pull your arms down and back, stabilizing your shoulder blades and creating vertical power. Here's the catch. Those lats won't fire properly if your shoulders are out of position. That's why shoulders down and back is the golden rule. It's not a cliche, it's a biomechanical truth. Think of your body as a skyscraper. Your core is the foundation. Your shoulders are the structure. Your arms are the elevator cables. If the base wobbles, the top can't move efficiently. So before you even start to pull, you must build that foundation, tight core, active shoulders, steady breathing. Now let's build your perfect chin-up from the ground up. Grab the bar with palms facing toward you. That's the key difference from a pull-up. Keep your hands about shoulder width apart. Not too wide, not too narrow. Wrap your thumbs around the bar for control. Here's a pro cue. Imagine trying to bend the bar down toward the floor. That activates your lats before you even move. Step 2, the setup. Start in a dead hang. Arms fully extended, legs straight or slightly crossed. Your shoulders aren't limp, they're packed. Pull them down gently. Engage your core and squeeze your glutes. This tension is your launch pad. Step 3, the pull. Exhale slightly and drive your elbows down and back. Not up, not out, down and back. That line of pull brings your biceps and lats together in perfect coordination. Imagine dragging your chest toward the bar while your elbows slide along your ribs. Keep your neck neutral, eyes forward, and body steady. Step 4. The peak. At the top, your chin clears the bar, but don't crane your neck. Pause here for 1 full second. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and feel that deep contraction across your back. That moment of control is where real strength lives. Step 5, the descent. Now lower yourself slowly. Count 2, 3, all the way down until your arms are fully straight again. Don't drop, resist gravity. That negative phase builds more strength than the upward pull itself. It also teaches discipline, which carries into every other lift you do. If you can't yet do a full chin-up, relax, everyone starts somewhere. Option 1, negative chin-ups. Jump or step up to the top. Hold for a moment, then lower yourself as slowly as possible. Aim for 5-second descents. Each rep teaches your muscles how to control the weight. Option 2, band-assisted chin-ups. Loop a resistance band over the bar and under your knees or feet. It'll take a little weight off, but still make you move through the full range of motion. Option 3, isometric holds. Hold yourself halfway up for a count of 5, then lower. This builds strength in the sticking zone where most people fail. Consistency with these drills will turn you into a full rep machine faster than you expect. Once your basic form feels automatic, it's time to sharpen control. 1, scapular pull-ups. Hang from the bar and pull your shoulder blades down without bending your elbows. Tiny movement, huge activation. It teaches you how to initiate the pull correctly. 2, tempo variations. Try 3 seconds up, 1 second hold, 3 seconds down. Tempo training skyrockets muscle engagement and endurance. First, weighted chin-ups. When you can easily do 10 clean reps, add weight with a belt or backpack. But never trade form for numbers. For pause reps, stop halfway up, hold 2 seconds, then continue. You'll feel control and mid-range strength like never before. The strongest athletes don't just train their muscles, nor they train their mind. Before each set, take 1 deep breath. Picture your perfect form and visualize your movement. See yourself pulling smoothly. Feel every muscle engage. This mental rehearsal builds neural patterns that make the actual rep smoother. It's the secret every elite lifter uses but few talk about. And remember, consistency beats intensity. 1 perfect set a day will outwork a dozen sloppy sessions. Let's wrap it all up. Here's the checklist for flawless chin-ups. A full dead hang at the start. Shoulders down and back. A core and glutes tight. At elbows drive down and back. A chest leads, chin follows. Controlled descent, no drops. Now your challenge, right after this video, try 10 flawless chin-ups. Focus on control, not speed. Even if you only manage 3 perfect ones, that's progress. Feel the difference more in your lats, your arms, your posture. That's what real strength feels like. Chin-ups aren't just about pulling your body up. They're about mastering discipline, tension, and control. Keep showing up, keep refining, and soon the bar won't just be a test, it'll be your playground. If this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with someone still struggling with chin-ups, and subscribe, because next, I'll show you how to double your reps in just 2 weeks. You've got this. Now go own the bar.